Krishna's flute is a Manoharam Murali, Manoharam Jagokalo. The Jagokalo, the lakshana, the characteristic of Krishna's flute is its mind stealing. Krishna's flute is mind stealing. Manohar means mind stealing flute. And man means mind or chit or heart, sometimes in Sanskrit. Krishna's flute sound, like Kama Bij, transcendental Kama Bij, stole their mind, stole their hearts, stole their lives, stole their hands away from their domestic duties, taking care of their husbands, cooking, serving, dressing. Their hands pulled away from all those activities. Their eyes withdrew from looking at their own bodies, their dressing, brushing their own hair and decorating their own eyes. Their hands and vision and attention withdrew from even their own bodies and their own body decoration. What to speak of their vision and hands withdrawing from their service to their children and their relatives and in-laws. And everything was focused on Krishna. Their panch karmindriya, their panch gyanindriya. All their senses and mind became manoharam. All the senses merged in the mind, man, and the whole thing was stolen. Their senses, their body, their mind, Jagokalam, manoharam,